Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create a restore point on Windows 11. It is always better to create a Windows restore point. Let's say if you have done some wrong configurations, or you have messed up some configuration, and you don't like some of the changes made, you can always revert back to the previous state using the restore point you are created. Uh, on how to start, click on the Windows button and type create a restore point, and then you will get the system properties control applet. Go to the system protection and choose the system drive on which the OS is installed, and then click the configure button. Once you click on configure button, select the radio button for turn on system protection, and then click apply, and then click on OK. So once you are done with this, you can click on create. This will create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. So once you get this, type a name or description for your restore point and click the uh, create button. So let me give the WMT, and then I hit on create. So once the restore point is created, you will see a success message that the restore point was created successfully. So let's wait for that to come. Okay, so there we have created the restore point successfully. So this is how you create a restore point in Windows 11. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment.